Thank you for choosing this channel. Okay, if you have completed SHS, we are all waiting for the 2023 WASSCE results to be released any moment from now. Today is 10th, so we are looking forward to get the results. We are looking forward for WAEC to release the results any moment from now. So when the result is released, the next thing is that we are all going to check our results. So for you to check our results, you need a voucher code before you can check your results. So for you to get a voucher code, you don't need to go to anywhere. You don't need anyone to get you a voucher code. So just contact the number on the screen. I'll get you a voucher code. And if you want me to just check your result and send it to you by PDF, I will do that and send to you at a cheaper price as compared to going to cafe to pay about 40 cedis or 35 cedis. So this is what I'm going to do for you guys. The results has not been released yet, but we are hoping that from now onwards the result is going to be released, and I'll be coming out with an update if the results is being released, and then I'll come out with a video to show you how to check your result once you have your voucher code. Thank you for watching this video. Do well to subscribe and share. See you